This call is now being recorded.
Good morning. Our next practical is the PMMC and MI instrument. PMMC, that means the permanent magnet moving coil, and MI means the moving iron instrument. Basically the PMMC and MI is the two types of meter according to their construction. Firstly, in the PMMC, that is the permanent magnet moving coil instrument. It consists of three systems. First one, deflecting system, controlling system, and damping system. That means deflection system is required to move the pointer from zero position to up to the something value. That means suppose we have to pass or we have to measure the 5 ampere of current. Then to produce that 5 ampere current, deflecting system is the most important in the PMMC instrument. Then secondly, second system is the controlling system. Controlling system consists of a spring. Spring is required to bring the pointer to its original position. Suppose we have to measure the 5 ampere current. Then pointer shows the 5 ampere. But whenever we switch off the supply, then this pointer is come back to its original position, that is the zero position, and this one is the happened with the help of spring, which is connected at the center or the spindle of the meter. Then third one is the damping system. Damping system is required to gi- to produce the steady position of pointer. Suppose we have to measure the 5 ampere current same, and सपोज देर इज अ पॉइंटर इज ऑसिलेटिंग इन नेचर, म्हणजे तुमचा जो काही पॉइंटर आहे तर रिडिंग आपण सप्लाय दिल्यानंतर रिडिंग शो करतोय, आणि रिडिंग शो झाल्यानंतर सपोज तो पॉइंटर जर तुमचा कंटिन्युअसली व्हायब्रेट होत असेल तर रिडिंग आपण घेऊ शकत नाही. तर त्या केसमध्ये आपल्याला जर तो पॉइंटर स्टेडी पोझिशनला सेट करायचा असेल तर आपल्याला तिथे डॅम्पिंग सिस्टीम इज प्रोव्हाइडेड बाय डॅम्पिंग. एडी करंट डॅम्पिंग प्रोव्हाइड केलेली असते. त्याच्यासाठी एक ॲल्युमिनियम फॉर मध्ये प्लेस केलेला असतो, आणि कंट्रोलिंग टॉर्क प्रोड्यूस करण्यासाठी स्प्रिंग कनेक्टेड असते स्पिंडलला. आणि डिफ्लेक्टिंग टॉर्क प्रोड्यूस करायचा असेल तर बेसिकली थ्री कंपोनंट्स रिक्वायर्ड असतात. फर्स्ट वन इज दी परमनंट मॅग्नेट, second one moving coil, and third one is the iron core. Suppose we have to pass the current through that moving coil, then moving coil produces uh, magnetic field, and according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, this coil experience a force and we obtain the readings. Similarly, for the spring control, spring operate its according to their function. Then second in instrument is the MI instrument, that means the moving iron instrument. There is basically two types: attraction type moving iron instrument and repulsion type moving iron instrument. When this moving iron instrument coil carries a current, then three torques are produced. First one is the deflecting torque, second one is the controlling torque, and third one is the damping torque. Similar like to your PMMC. Deflecting torque is essential to produce the required or to obtain the required reading. Controlling is also required to bring the pointer to original position, and the damping torque is required to to obtain or to make the pointer at its steady position. This one is your second, that is the repulsion type moving iron instrument. Then suppose we have to practically show the meter. In PMMC instrument, basically there is a pointer which is situated at this position. Then lower spring. This part is the spring. This spring is required to produce the controlling that. That means to bring the pointer to at its original zero position. Then support for the core. This part is nothing but the support for the core. This inside part is the iron core. Then this one is the uppermost spring, lowermost and uppermost. There are two spring which is attached to the spindle and which is required to produce the controlling torque. Then this part is the permanent magnet. This magnet is required to produce the magnetic field. This one is the internal structure of your PMMC instrument. In the repulsion type moving ion instrument, it consists of fixed iron and the moving iron. This part is the fixed iron and this lowermost part is the moving iron, and this one is the center. At the center there is one pivot. Then this circular part is nothing but the coils, and these two are the vanes. Uppermost part is the non-uniformly divided scale, and this one is the pointer. These are the internal structure of your MI type instrument. In this practical, we have to only study the internal parts of your PMMC and MI instrument, and how the PMMC instrument work and how the MI instrument work. This is your practical number 2nd.